Welcome back to Double G's. So in this video we'll be unboxing the Chafon 3-in-1 foldable wireless charger. So stay tuned. Let's get started. So here's a 3-in-1, which means we can put a cell phone, a pod, and a watch. Like our last 3-in-1 wireless charger, it was flat, but this one is more special because you can fold it in a triangle and you can also fold it. Now let's open it. As we open, you can see the plastic. So let's take it out, and there we can see the manual guides, and also that's the light indicator, so it represents what's going on. So there's blue, green, as you can see that. So this one shows you what to do and what to not do. So there is a manual guide. It's a full instruction. If you do not know how to use this, you can read it. Like I told you, you can fold in different shapes, like a triangle, or you can put it like flat. Also, you can fold it. This is the adapter. It's a USB adapter. And here is the charger. It's a USB Type-C charger and the USB. If you reached this far to the video, please subscribe to Double G's and like the video if you like it. There is the wireless charger. We can take it out, and as I told you, it comes in folded, so it's pretty heavy, and you can see that, and there's tabs on the side so you can pull it off. Alright, when we open them, we can see the charging pads for all three of them, the cell phone, the watch, and then the AirPod. So let's plug in the charger, and as I told you, you can fold into a triangle shape and also flat. Charging in the flat way is much better because your phone could slide off if you charge in the triangle way. The side pads has a magnet to it, so that's what it makes hold in place. Right when we plugged in, we can see the color changes from blue to green. The light will be always on green. It's a standby mode and it's waiting for a device to go on, then it changes the color. When we place a device on the wireless charger, the color changes to blue, which means it's charging, and when you take it out, it goes back to green. Now we are using two devices. You can see the Galaxy Buds in the area. And finally, there's a third one where you can use your Apple Watch. Now also you can charge your watch like this. When I talk about the magnets, this is if you use like a Samsung product, it will be really bad. But if you use like an iPhone, which is especially built for this, it's really good. The magnets are really strong and they will stay. As I told you earlier, the lights. So when it's green, it's steady. It's in standby mode, and when you play something, it changes to blue when it's called charging. And if it flashes blue and green, that means there's something error going on. The magnets here are really strong, but now in the video you can see I'm using a Samsung device, so it's not that great, but if you're using an Apple device, it works perfectly. It's super strong because I tried it. You could also charge the phone facing that way. For example, if you're watching a movie or something. Or there's this flat way, which I like. So this charger is absolutely fantastic. I would recommend this. The building quality is really good. All the quality, the plastic, it feels so premium. So if you'd like to purchase this, there's a link in the below. So that's end of the video. So if you like this, please subscribe and see you soon.